Welcome! Here's how to make super custom weapon. Go on our Discord server and create a ticket to get it. I've already placed a verse class here which follows the previous version of custom weapon. This is a version 2 and here's how it works. It's connected to the previous trigger device. And it now uses a brand new VFX power device, which is for your left hand. There are all my previous weapons connected, so it will work with the older models. Backwards compatibility included. Here's my settings for the left-hand weapon. We can now make dual weapons thanks to our super team. This is a very important value. Set IT to 1. Okay, now connect IT all to our verse class. I'm gonna clear the VFX left hand here, cause we're gonna use IT for a different weapon. We're gonna make a dual-handed weapon. This is our dual-handed weapon. Okay, here in the file see the models we have 7 and 6. Okay, let's drag it here. I'm gonna add this SMG weapon to my item granter. And as well to my conditional web button. Just copy and paste it. Okay, and as we know, we're going to use to VFX power-up devices, so we're gonna duplicate IT. And now we're gonna switch to left hand. I'm gonna return to IT later, cause there are really important settings that you need to adjust. But that's at the end of the video. Now connect the effects. Make sure it is right. Seven to left hand and 6 to right hand. Okay, and now we're going to connect IT. Here's the conditional button, and then we're going to use VFX, right hand and left hand. If I wanted to use a single weapon, I would connect IT, the left hand VFX power button to our previous, which is right there at start of the video. Okay, now let's move on, because in the super cool pack, here's an animation for it. So we're going to use a different verse class. There are actually 3 versions codes. This one is under the Animation Manager. Okay, connect the conditional button. Then look at the settings and copy these from the image. You can also adjust the damage as you like. Then add here the weapon. And now we're going to see a different bunch of At first, we need to place a sequence camera device. Now I'm going to add a level sequence. That is already included in your file. For me, it's the level sequence for the 6-7 weapon. And then connected. We will now need a blueprint, which is already in the files. But for this, we're going to need to place IT on the ground. Once we have IT, then we can again connect IT. It's going to be shown there. And now it's there, let's go. Okay, and final thing which remains is explosion device. Let's search for explosion device. Carefully follow my settings. This settings is very important. Here you can adjust the force of knockback as you like. Also, don't forget to set the area for the explosion. Turn it on damage. And the player damage you can leave IT on 0. It's already in the verse class modified. Now connected, and that's IT. But don't forget to add this verse tag. And by the way, about this VFX power effect here. Set the value to 1 and delete the clear trigger. And that's IT. Now you can return. But don't remove IT for the right hand. Leave the settings as IT is. If you have more questions, ask us on our Discord server. If you have issues with the sequence, just find the assets that are on your island and replace them. Then again connect the sequence and save. Let's look at 67 weapon. Here's another weapon that I've already made off camera. Don't forget to try out our previous weapon models, like Electric Pack. Thanks for watching.